Hi Scorpio, I'm Anisha. You can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for March 2012. For those of you who are watching this video for the first time, I combine astrology with tarot. I look at a very broad planetary movement and I focus on slow moving planets because I think they have a longer lasting effect. I wrap up the predictions with a small tarot message for the particular zodiac. So, Scorpio, this month we have the beautiful Venus. She's also known as the goddess of love, beauty, and sex, and the Greeks called her as Aphrodite. And we have Jupiter, who is the king of all gods, and he's also known as Zeus. Both of them are conjuncting in Taurus. And for you, Scorpio, they're transiting your seventh house. That is a house of partnerships, it's a house of marriage, it's a house of contractual agreements. So let's look at your work first, Scorpio. There seems to be a small trend that has got carried on from last month, wherein that you may feel that a particular co-worker or co-workers really have been nitpicking or being picky about your work, whether it has to do with a certain way that you should be dealing with your work, or it is just something that is not being done in a traditional way, or that you should be doing it in a very conventional way. On the second, we have Mercury, which is entering your sign, and Mercury is there till about 17th. And Mercury will give you its little pick me up, wherein it will make you a little more chatty, it will make you more talkative, and you will be going about, and the communication is going to be very fluid for you. So on the love side of it, it seems that your spouse or your potential partner has just got promoted, or there has been some good news, so you will be basking under a lot of light of achievements which your spouse may have got. Just a word of caution, don't get too jealous, or don't worry that you're being ignored. Just enjoy the attention that your partner is getting. Be gracious. And it's a lovely time because Jupiter is aligning with Pluto, and it's a good time for you to be restarting a relationship. So if there have been some hiccups that you may have been facing with your spouse, or you may have been thinking that or at some point you have led off of a discussion last month and you didn't want to sort of push it because you thought it would just break something, it's a good time to pick up that discussion again. So go ahead, have a good chat, clear out the things that need to get cleared out. You have full planetary support. Mercury, which rules communication and also technology, it's going retrograde on the 17th. So while it is shifting its energies and going to a more muted place, it's not a great time to be going out and buying an expensive gadget. So if you must go and buy, do keep your receipts and your warranty cards handy with you, and do take backup of your telephones and of your software computers. Mercury retrograde, normally when it happens, it does bring about some amount of miscommunication which could happen through an electronic device. It could be an SMS, or it could be through an email as well. So be careful over there. Towards the end of the month, there's again just a caution on your health side. Maybe it's more focused around eyes. So do go for an eye checkup, and if you've been getting headaches, go and get your eyes tested. The tarot message for you is balance, Scorpio. So the universe is asking you to balance your heart with your mind, and it is asking of you that not to get so emotional that you stop seeing what the mind is trying to tell you. So have a good month. I'll see you again next month in April.